Now we're going to work this trigonometric problem concerning the tangent for a triangle. So the first thing that we need to do is that A, B, and C are the angles measures. So it's the measures of the angles measure of the triangle. We want to prove that the tangent of their sum is the product of their of the angles, of the measures of the angles. Okay? So one key idea that we need to have is that if you want to solve this one by yourself, and if you want to check it out before to see any solution, is that remember that tangent of x plus y is tangent x plus tangent y over 1 minus tangent x times tangent y. This is for two angles only, for x and y. But if you have x, y, and z, you will have to apply this one more time. Okay? So another thing that you need to do if you want to prove this result is that the angles measure, their sum is pi. Okay? So that's a hint for solving this problem if you want to solve it. And they take the tangent of pi, and tangent of pi is 0, and see what you get. Okay? So if you want to stop the video and try it by yourself, otherwise I'll try to do it. But okay, let's see what we can do. Remember that given this result, we have to prove that for these angles A, B, and C, that the tangent of A plus B plus C is given by this formula. Is that we have tangent A plus tangent B plus tangent C minus tangent A times tangent B times tangent C over 1 minus tangent A times tangent B minus tangent A times tangent C minus tangent B times tangent C. Okay? So this formula is crucial in proving this problem. We can prove it here, so we can apply this one here. We can apply, so if we take y as y plus z, we can do it very quickly and get this result. Okay? So if you want to see this one, you can just apply this one again with y is y plus z, and you will get the result. Anyways, so here we know that the sum of the angles of the triangle is pi, so that means tangent. So we know that A plus B plus C is pi. Okay, so here tangent of pi is 0. Therefore we have this one. We have this sum equals 0. We have tangent A plus tangent B plus tangent C minus tangent A times tangent B times tangent C over 1 minus tangent A tangent B minus tangent A tangent C minus tangent B tangent C. So here this one is the issue. So to conclude is that we can say if this one is different from 0, then we have tangent A plus tangent B plus tangent C is equal to tangent A times tangent B times tangent C. Okay? This one is different from 0. If this one, okay, the only time when this one is 0 is when if A is pi over 2, it's not defined. Okay? Remember that if we have pi over 2, we can divide by the cosine. Okay? Another thing is that can we have a is pi over 2 and b pi over 2 and c is 0? Okay? What's that triangle? Okay? So we assume that one of the angles, one only, can be pi over 2. All the others are less than pi over 2, and therefore this one is never 0. So, okay, this one, 1 minus tangent A, tangent B, minus tangent A, tangent C, minus tangent B, tangent C, is different from 0. Okay? In a triangle, we assume that we have only one angle, that's pi over 2. Okay? In this case, we have this result. We will see when we go to some spherical geometry, we will have different formulas, because in that case, we can have two angles that they have pi over 2. Yes. So the sum of the angles is more than pi. But for our case, we assume that we can have only one angle that's pi over 2. And therefore, this one is always different from 0. Therefore, we have tangent A plus tangent B plus tangent C is equal tangent A times tangent B times tangent C. Okay? So good thing to do is prove this result here by working on this one, or prove this one. Or maybe I'll do a video where I can prove this one and get this one. Okay? Thank you very much. This will end the video.